Also included is a USB connector for fast data transfer, including measurement data and full reports in Microsoft XLS format. If the user selects to generate a report, the WiKi-Scan will save the inspection data onto a USB flash drive. If the user needs to save a global report, he will have to select the report icon in the contextual menu. The report management screen will then be displayed, where the user can select which data to include. He can select by date, time, and name, and even specify if only the good or bad inspections are to be included in the report. Once the search information is specified, the search results are displayed on the screen and can be saved onto a USB flash drive. The WiKi-Scan will prompt for a USB flash drive to be connected, which requires the small adapter cable which connects the standard USB connector to the micro USB connector found on the side of the WiKi-Scan. This adapter is supplied with every system. With the USB flash drive connected, the report can now be transferred and saved. Once the disk icon disappears, this means the report is finished saving.